Eh?
Give me 10 more.
No, listen to when me ask you, Mr. Biles. You know how much money me a video you, you know how much money you value?
Yeah.
So what happened to your money?
I'm not getting the money.
You know, them take away your rights, your copyrights for your music, them take it away. Damn. You know how much money your track sell? So what happened to your family? What happened to your family? What happened to your family? Eh? So how come them not try help you?
Them try.
What happened to your back? You want to eat that chicken back?
Yeah. Mama, give me our money now.
I told her I should get it for yesterday.
You have to sing Curly Locks for me, man.
Alright. Open the money now.
I have it, no worry, man. You have to sing Curly Locks for me.
Curly locks. No, the time the dreadlocks. Your daddy say you shouldn't play with me. But it's alright. Thank you for the letter. You make me feel better.
Damn, man. I don't understand. I can't figure how them not help him and the man make so much money and him not know nothing about that. So who take away all of your rights? Who take away all of your rights, them, your copyrights? No, eh? No Lee Scratch Perry produce you.
A chicken back, isn't it? Hello, a chicken back, isn't it? Jerk chicken back.
Yeah man, alright, me just want, I know, jerk chicken back. Poor people food that, don't.
And them have a jerk chicken neck down there.
Jerk chicken neck, we have to go buy a piece. Oh, so it's safe to buy it from them after this? Oh, what else them have? Them have anything else over there? Corn, nothing? Them not have no corn or nothing over there, don't? Junior Biles, the great Junior Biles. Over there, sir? Or the back part, that? You? But I know you also will come the other day.
Usually.
Oh,
That's why I don't get time live.
oh. So where you sleep? Where you sleep, Mr. Biles?
No, the back.
Over there, there? Are you there?
Yeah. No, not this yard. The other one.
Okay. You sleep out the door, you sleep inside. You have somewhere for sleep, change your clothes, bed and all them things there? So how you sit down out here, sir? So you get money how you get money? How you get money? How you get money? How you get money? This is sad. They hurt my heart. Damn, this hurt my
Big
heart.
artist like you, eh?
This hurt my heart. This hurt my heart.
You see, Mark, better today?
Yeah. You can't go into the studio, right? You think you can go into the studio to record anything? No. You can't do that, right?
Kind of too weak, you know, for that.
Yeah.
Done.
Yo, me give you money, yeah?
The one I document is big, you know.
Yeah, Junior Biles, a great Junior Biles. Great Junior Biles this. Yo. No, but how it gonna benefit him?
They give him the money because
you have to make up a page. A fan page for him and make. But how them have a fan page? Hold on, must cousin will call you. Go on, go find out. He might call you, find out. If you don't want nothing to buy, don't, but you go look for it. But them have a fan page, but who get the money? Them have a fan page. Look here, me I go give you something. Look here, Mr. Biles. You know them have a fan page for you. You're not getting the money from it. So what happened to you? Yeah? What happened to you? Me I go give you money for buy the Pepsi, man. But it's high. What happened to you? How you reach here, sir? Eh? How you reach here, sir?
Time off.
Eh?
Time off.
I know time hard, but you know how much your music I sell, you know how much your music value?
Yeah.
If we do a document,
You know how much your music value?
if you want to help me, you could do a documentation on him, and it might give him some money.
Yeah, but
Depending on how streaming.
this hurt me, you know. It hurt me bad, man.
Because they have an Instagram for him, they have a Facebook for him.
But who control the
I don't
Facebook?
know who it is.
Yeah,
He
man.
has his own Google, his own pictures on Google everywhere.
I know him. Him not get nothing from it.
Yeah, he's everywhere. He's everywhere on social media.
You know who did produce Fade Away, right?
Yeah.
Who did produce it?
Deeper.
Lee Perry, Lee Scratch. Him link you?
Yeah.
Him give you money, you get money from him?
Yeah.
You get then so how you sit down out here if you get money from him? Him help you?
Yeah.
So how you sit down out here, Junior? How you sit down out here so if him might help you? Eh? How much money him give you, sir?
No, give me that money.
Him not give you nothing. So him a live off of your music, him a live off of your lyrics, him a live off of your song and make money off of you. Hi babies. How y'all doing? Alright? Alright, come out to the street before they get licked. Where we now go? Hold this muscle. Here. You want the money, you know? Me give you money, yeah? Junior, me give you money.
His parents teach him not to take from anybody.
Yeah, that's smart. I buy candy with this. Here, baby, $100 that. Yeah?
Mom, can I give him some more money? Can I give him some more money?
Buy something with that. Yeah? Buy something with
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Can I give him some? Can I give him something?
You can't give him money. Give him money, man.
I'll buy a picture.
Give him $1,000? Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. Don't make nobody take your money now, you know.
Alright.
Use your money and buy something.
Yeah.
But when you sleep at night time,
Round the back.
you have a bed where you sleep
Yeah,
on?
yeah.
So how you eat at morning time?
Maid look after food.
Maid look after food for you. So how you change your clothes? And you don't look like you know beard. Look on your foot, man. Look on your foot. Look on your foot. Look at your shoes. You don't look like you never change, man. So you know go with your family. Where your family them down here?
Yeah.
Them check for you?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so you're gone now, right? Alright. Shut up himself. Ross Clots. Hey! Hey! Go and buy something for drink. Ross Clots. John No Star burn my heart. Burn me. Sadden me. Sadden me as him get the money, I'm gone.
Are you guys okay? Your eyes okay?